Ever wonder why we yawn? Most people think it's because we need more oxygen.
But science says not quite.
One theory? Yawning helps cool your brain, like a natural air conditioner. When your brain gets a bit too warm, a yawn pulls in cool air to bring the temp down. Another theory? Social bonding. Yawns are contagious. Seeing someone yawn actually makes you more likely to yawn too. It could be your brain syncing up with others. A sign of empathy or alertness in a group. So next time you yawn, don't just think I'm tired. Your brain might just be trying to chill or connect.